Hello and thank you for checking out the Melody Making Piano Studio's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing minor key signatures and how to figure it out using the circle of fifths as well as the order of sharps and flats on a staff. If you have not already done so, please check out the major key signature video because we will briefly touch on it right now, but we are mainly focused on how to find the minor key signature. So here's our circle of fifths. We can go to the right, up a fifth, to find a key signature, or go left down a fifth to find a key signature. So right on the piano, left on the piano, going up and down. So here is C to G, G to D, and D to A to E to B, B to F sharp, and F sharp to C sharp. Those are all fifths going up. We add a sharp each time. Going backwards, we go C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. Going down a fifth, adding a flat each time. In order to find a minor key signature, we take the major key, the name, and we go down 3 half steps. So we have C, and we go to A. So there's the answer. C and A are related, and they share the same key signature. So the relative minor of C is A minor. Let's take another example. How about A? Let's go down 3 half steps. It becomes F sharp. A is related to F sharp minor. They share the same key signature. So if we start on A, the A major scale has 3 sharps, or F sharp. It still has the same 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Let's take one more example. G flat. 3 half steps down is E flat. So you can also call it F sharp, and it equals D sharp. How do you know if they're sharps or flats? Well, if you look at these, we have flats, sharps, flats, sharps, flats, and sharps. But all of these, from C through E, are sharps, F sharp, C sharp minor, and all of these are flats from B flat, E flat, and A flat major, but these are not flat. So in other words, if the key signature is sharp, your minor key will have to be called sharp if there is a sharp in it. If your major key is flat, then you must call it a flat. But here is just white keys. But down here, they are enharmonics, which means the same note with a different spelling. So it can be D flat to B flat, C sharp to A sharp, G flat to E flat, F sharp to G sharp, C flat to A flat, B to G sharp. You just have to know what is in the key signature, whether it's sharps or flats, and then you'll know what to call the key. So now let's look at the staff. We're going to write it. The sharps in order, they always stay in the same order. So we have fat cats, go, down, alleys, eating, bugs. And then we have the bass clef, same thing. Fat cats, go, down, alleys, eating, bugs. And just be sure that no matter which clef you're doing, that you keep the same amount of sharps on top. So let's do an example. Let's do A major here with the 3 sharps. So we need 3 on top and 3 on bottom. And just like we discussed in the other video, finding major key signatures, we take the last sharp and then we go up half step. So this is G sharp. We go up a half step and the answer is A major. Just like in your circle of fifths, you'll notice that 3 sharps is A major. And then we go down 3 half steps, which the answer is F sharp minor. And you can also look at that on that bass clef because it's the same exact sharps. There's your G sharp. So now let's do an example with the flats. Here's the order of flats, just like we discussed in the previous video. Big elephants always dance gracefully carrying flowers. Big elephants always dance gracefully carrying flowers. Just remember these flats always stay in the same order and they always have to start on these lines. And the sharps also have to start in the same exact lines and spaces as was written a moment ago. So let's do an example with 4 flats. So here it is, they're matching on top and bottom. Take the second to last flat, count back to 1, 2. The answer is that name, which is A flat, and then there it is. You need to take the major key and go down 3 half steps, so then it would be F. There's your answer, F minor. You can also do the same back here. There's that second to last flat, A flat, go down 3 half steps, and it's F minor. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions about how to find minor key signatures, please leave your comments below. Please come back and check out more videos in the future.